So this is a wonderful question. The question is saying 15 cubic meters of a gas is at pressure of 70 newtons per squared meter and temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Find its volume when it is at a temperature of 127 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 35 newtons per square meters. Whenever you just see this question where you've got pressure, temperature and volume, just know that this is a combination. So we get to say that this is a combination. It is a combination of Boyle's law and Charles' law. So Boyle's law and Charles' law. So this is what you are supposed to know. So whenever these three are given, just know that it's a combination of Boyle's law and Charles' law. And which formula do we use to calculate such a question in an exam? We get to use what we get to call the Chain law. We get to use the formula we call the Chain law gas equation. It is a formula that we get to use. And the formula is like this, where we say pressure 1 multiplied by volume 1 over temperature 1, which is equal to, we say pressure 2 volume 2 over temperature what? Temperature 2. This is what we get to call the general gas equation. And you get to use this particular equation when three of them are given. In this case, we are going to use this particular formula and just substitute in the values. Before we go any further, we need to convert these. This temperature should be in Kelvin, as well as that one should be in Kelvins. So how do you convert 27? You've got 27 degrees Celsius. How do you convert to Kelvins? You just need to say 27 plus 243. So when you say 27 plus 243, this is to tell you that whenever you are changing from degrees Celsius to Kelvins, you just need to add this constant. So when we add, we are getting 300 Kelvins. So this is the temperature we are going to use where there is 27. We also have 127. How do we convert 127 degrees Celsius? We are just going to say 127 plus 273. We are adding this constant. So when we add 273, we are getting a 400. So you write there 400 Kelvins. So the temperature changed. We've converted these ones. Then we substitute in the formula where we are going to say what is pressure 1 according to the data that is given. So I'll start from here. What is pressure 1? Pressure 1, we are given that it is 70. 70 multiplied by volume 1, that is 15. So I put my 15 here over what is the temperature? The temperature is 27. I put my 27 there where I say this is equal to pressure 2 is this one that is here. This is the one. It is 35 multiplied by volume 2, the one I'm told to find, over temperature 127. 127 is what? 400 Kelvins. So the temperature is already in its appropriate units. So these are procedures that are supposed to be done. From here, you just work out these numbers. It is just a matter of working out this. How do we work out? We cross multiply. So we are going to have this one. We are going to have this, which we are calling. This 35 will be multiplied with this one that is here. Have you seen? So we say 35 times 27. What answer are we going to have? So before we even go further, don't forget, these 27 have not changed. It is the temperature. So meaning this one should have been 300. Because it is the temperature 27, I put 300. 127, I put 400 like this. So I multiply these times this. So meaning I'm going to have 35 multiplied by 300. Then I've got V2, which is equal to, I multiply here. What answer am I going to get? So I'm going to have, if I multiply 70 times 15 times 400, I'm going to get this figure. This is a figure that I'm going to get, this one. I divide both sides by 35 times 300. Even there, I divide 35 times 300 like this. So this will be cancelled, where I'm just going to say, therefore, the volume 2 that I was told to find, what is the answer? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that one that is given. So I'm going to say 420,000. So 420,000, then gets to divide it with 35 times 300. Put that in brackets. So the answer that I'm getting is 40. I'm just going to get a 40. Since this is volume, which is in cubed meters, I just say cubed meters. Meaning this is the answer, and this is how I'm supposed to answer this. Don't forget, I offer tuitions, and this is the only time you have for you to join me. You get to WhatsApp me on this number. I help you get a distinction. I help you understand these things at an affordable fee. Just needs to pay a little something. So this is my WhatsApp number. Don't forget, I do have a YouTube channel. This is Harrison Jezuru Tutor, as well as my Facebook page. So I want you people to follow me on Facebook using this same name. So kindly follow me on Facebook using the name Harrison. This is my name, Harrison Jezuru Tutor. Even on Facebook, you can follow me on Facebook on this name, so that you get to see all the updates that we get to upload. Thank you so much. Hope you are going to follow me even on Facebook. Thank you.